Miss Bets here, and today we're going to be doing an experiment over surface tension. For this experiment, the items you will need will be liquid dish soap, some water, a toothpick, 2 straws, acrylic paint, 2 colors of your choice, a measuring spoon. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon. A tray with different sections, and a plate. So to get started, what you want to do is you want to pour the water into the plate, just enough to cover the bottom. All right, you're going to have some leftover water and you're going to be using that here in just a second. So with your paint, you want to grab your first color, and in the sections of the tray, one section you're going to put a little drop of paint. For your second color of paint, you're going to be doing the same thing in a different section of your tray. Okay. And then in another section of the tray, you want to take your dish soap and put a little bit in there, like that. Okay. Use your measuring spoon. Dip out 2 1/4 teaspoons and put that into your paint color. So you want to put 2 1/4 teaspoons in each paint color. You're going to use your straw. You're going to mix this up until it's fully mixed up to where you can't see any chunks of paint anymore. Okay, great. You're going to do that with your other color here. Same thing, you're mixing it until you don't have any chunks of paint left. All right, great. Now for your soap side, your soap container, you're going to put just 1/4 of a teaspoon water into that. And with your toothpick, you're going to mix that up. All right, you can see where things are mixed. Now in your water, what you're going to be doing, use your straw. You're going to tilt over your tray to where you can use your finger at the end of the straw to grab some of that water up with the paint. Now this is where you're going to have to be really careful, but you want to lay that paint on top of the water. And I'm going to show you guys here in just a minute what mine looks like. But you're going to start to see that the paint is not sinking, but instead it's moving across the water and it's sitting right on the top of the water. All right, I think that's enough blue for me. So now I'm going to move over to my second color of pink. Same thing, we're just laying that on the top of the surface of the water. All right, looking pretty good for me here. All right, so the surface of the water is made up of millions of water molecules, and these molecules like to stick together. Now what happens is they create surface tension whenever these molecules meet the surface where the air is. So I want to show you guys, let me bring my camera closer here. I want to show you kind of what my plate's looking like right now. And so what you're going to need to grab your toothpick, and you want to dip that into your soap. And what you're going to be doing is with the soapy end of the toothpick, we are going to break that surface tension. Watch as I do that. See how the colors are dispersing? That's a great example of our surface tension and how you can experiment at home.